Eco Noor sunshade. Okay, first it comes with its own little pouch that you can use for storing. If you've ever owned one of those accordion fold-up sunshades, you're gonna love this because this will fit between your console and your seat. It'll fit under your seat, the map pocket of your door, or even in some glove compartments. It is portable. It's available in 4 custom sizes. So it'll fit small cars, mid-sized cars, SUVs, vans, trucks, and just about everything in between. One of the first things to go in your vehicle is the interior. If you don't take care of your dash, it's going to crack and deteriorate, and the sun will cook the sun visor so bad the material will even disintegrate. But even worse, the extreme heat can damage some of the components in your dash. You know, now I don't have to worry about burning my hands on the steering wheel or my elbows and arms on the console, or even that little metal part of the seatbelt connector. That gets really hot. And the other thing is my car cools off really fast once we're on the road. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Now, as you can see, it comes with a little pouch, and all you need to do is take the strap off, and then boom, it pops open. You have a shiny side and a black side. The shiny side will reflect the heat, while the black side will kind of absorb some of the sun's rays, which could actually warm up your car a little bit in the winter months. And it has 2 bands, and what they do is they allow you a snug fit in your windshield of your car, and the additional fabric right here allows you to work around your rear view mirror and the corners of your windshield so that you can keep all the sun out. All you got to do is put it in, then you pull the sun visors down, and you're good to go. And folding it up as a snap, all you do is pop it like this, put the strap back on, and you can pop it back in the bag and you're good to go.
Installing the A1 sunshade in your car is very easy. First, take the shade out of the storage bag and slowly unfold it. Widen both support circles and install the passenger side first. Place bottom of the shade on the dashboard, then along the side pillar, then tuck behind the rear view mirror. Do the same on the driver's side. Last, lower both visors to provide additional support. The circles may overlap more or less depending upon the width of the vehicle. To uninstall, remove the shade from the top first and then overlay both the circles. Twist and turn it into a small size. Either store A1 shade between the center console and passenger seat or in a storage bag if needed. Protecting your car from the heat and harmful rays of the sun is that easy. Okay, you've just used your new A1 windshield sunshade for the first time and you love it, but you might be wondering what is the best way to fold it. First, overlay both the circles and hold them like the steering wheel of a car. Then take one hand and reverse it so that one thumb is pointing up and the other is pointing down. Now turn the hand with the thumb pointing down so that the thumb is pointing up again. As you do, the sunshade will take on a figure 8. Now rotate your other hand to point the thumb down and your sunshade will naturally curl in on itself. With a little bit of adjustment, the shade will shrink back to its original shape and now is ready to go back in the bag. If you have a larger sunshade with oval-shaped support rings, hold the top and bottom of the ovals for easier twisting.